Hey guys, I'm Celine Domingo, middle blocker. Ulit. Hey guys, I'm Celine Domingo, middle blocker from Asari Chargers. Of course, we're super happy and super proud. Super proud ako sa teammates ko. And I guess, ang naging main motivation lang talaga namin is yung isa't isa. Actually, hindi namin masyadong pinipressure yung sarili namin coming into this game. We're just here actually to do our best, play talaga yung game namin, and eventually, a win will come naman. I guess, pahinga muna kami. And siguro after that, go back to drawing board kasi yung next games namin against other pool na.